lost, have you ever stopped to think, where is the real power hidden? You may not have noticed that the power is actually hidden in your heart, waiting to be awakened. Many people look for answers in difficulties, but forget that the answers have already existed in their hearts. When you focus on yourself and ignore external disturbances, you will find real peace and strength. When we face difficulties, we often feel helpless, but in fact, every pain is an opportunity for learning and growth. The inner strength comes from how we view pain. Pain itself is not the enemy, but a part that guides us to know ourselves. If we can change our view of pain and regard it as an opportunity for growth, we can release our inner strength and gain wisdom and courage from it. All pain is short-lived. As long as you can see through its essence, you will be freed from it. This applies not only to mental pain, but also to the challenges of daily life. When you learn to regard pain as a ladder of growth, you will find that every moment in difficulty is full of wisdom and inspiration. Try to think calmly, is the pain really as unbearable as you think? Or is it just an opportunity for you to grow up? Let go of persistence and release your inner strength. When we are obsessed with certain results or emotions, we tend to fall into an endless cycle of pain. When we learn to let go, the inner strength will naturally flow. This does not mean giving up, but accepting everything in life with an open mind and no longer entangled in the past or the future. All persistence is the root of pain. Only by letting go can we get true freedom. Clinging to things that can't be changed will only make us in trouble, but letting go can let us release the bound power. When you learn to be overly obsessed with certain results, you will find more possibilities and freedoms in life. When you feel that your life has fallen into boundless darkness, please remember that the light deep in your heart will never disappear. It may be covered up by fear and doubt, but as long as you are willing, this light can be lit up again. This inner light is love, hope, and an indestructible power. It is waiting for you to discover and release. When you bravely face your fears and difficulties, this light will guide you out of trouble and meet every challenge in life. Everyone has a bright light in their heart. Just light it, and the light will dispel all darkness. This is a strong and powerful reminder that no matter how chaotic the outside world is, the light in the heart will never disappear. We are born with this light, and we only need to awaken it through inner awareness and love. The key to healing the soul lies in love and acceptance. When we can treat ourselves and others with unconditional love, our hearts will be deeply healed. Love is the most powerful force in the world. It can dissolve hatred, fear, and all negative emotions. When you learn to love yourself and accept all the impermanence in life, you will find that the power of love can help you get out of any predicament and regain your inner peace. Love is the end of all pain and the beginning of all relief. When we can love from the bottom of our hearts and no longer criticize or blame ourselves, our hearts will have true freedom and peace. Loving yourself and accepting your imperfections is the first step of healing and the only way to the light.